Hello my fine young fellow me whatsits, how are you doing? Now over the past couple of weeks or so, whilst I've been making these vlogs, I've really wanted to concentrate on telling you stuff about music and philosophy and things that I find interesting. This wasn't meant to be a big thing about my life or documenting my life because that seems quite egotistical. Not to detract you from this vlog, which is going to be about my life. Merry Christmas, my fine young fellow me whatsits! Now today it is Christmas Day! Yay! What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a montage of awesome things. This is my brother Ethan. Wave. This is my brother Dan. This is my mum. Hello.
Hello. I love my son Joanne. And he's been home for Christmas and it's been lovely, and look how much taller he is than me. Is that alright?
Yeah, it's perfectly alright.
To Joanne's many viewers.
This is my grandma.
Hello.
This is my granddad.
Hello!
Hello! This is my dad. In the frame, Dad. This is... Oh, Dad!
Bad dad strikes again.
The Mega Egg. Ugh. Fluorescent pink ink drink. Wicked awesome typewriters. Moleskin notebooks. Every poem Oscar Wilde ever wrote. Copious amounts of chocolate. And a 50-quid note. I think I might have painted my dad in a bit of a unfavourable light.
Where are we going?
Nowhere, son.
But he's a cool dude, really. Look what he painted. It's bloody fab, that. And here ends the montage of awesome things. I hope you've had a really cool Christmas and a very happy New Year. See you soon, my fine young fellow me whatsits. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.